It was a quiet autumn evening. Sarah sat in her living room, flipping through an old photo album. Rusty, her golden retriever, lay curled up beside her, his head resting on her lap. The crackling fireplace provided the only sound in the room as Sarah lingered on a photo of her late husband. "Thank you for staying with me," she whispered to Rusty, scratching behind his ears. 3 years ago, Sarah had been drowning in grief. On a whim, she visited the local animal shelter. Among the loud barks and wagging tails, one dog stood quietly at the back of his kennel, a golden retriever with a scar on his paw. When Sarah knelt down, he hesitated before placing his paw gently in her hand. One evening, Sarah and Rusty went for their usual walk in the park. Thunder rumbled in the distance and rain began to fall. Suddenly, Rusty stopped and pulled on his leash, leading Sarah toward the far end of the park. There, under a bush, they found a young boy curled up, shivering. Sarah knelt beside the boy, her heart aching at his trembling form. "Are you hurt?" she asked gently. Rusty sat protectively by the boy, wagging his tail as if to reassure him. The boy didn't speak but clung to his torn jacket. Sarah called for help, staying with the boy until an ambulance arrived. She learned his name was Ethan. He had run away from home, escaping abuse. At the hospital, Rusty stayed by Ethan's side, while providing comfort with his calm demeanor. Ethan didn't say much at first, but Rusty's presence broke through his shell. He would stroke the dog's fur and occasionally smile. One day he asked, "Why does he have a scar?" "Because life isn't always kind," Sarah replied, "but it doesn't stop us from loving." Sarah discovered Ethan's love for drawing when she brought him a sketchbook. He immediately began sketching Rusty, depicting him as a superhero with a cape. "You think he's a hero?" Sarah asked. Ethan nodded. "He saved me." When Ethan was discharged, he was placed in foster care. On the day he left, he hugged Rusty tightly. "I'll miss you," he whispered. Rusty barked softly, as if to say he'd miss Ethan too. In the weeks that followed, Rusty often sat by the door, waiting for Ethan to return. Sarah tried to distract him, but she felt the emptiness too. She hadn't realized how much Ethan had come to mean to them. Months later, on a rainy night, Rusty began barking furiously at the door. When Sarah opened it, there stood Ethan, drenched and clutching his sketchbook. "I didn't know where else to go," he said, his voice trembling. Sarah brought Ethan inside, wrapping him in a blanket. He explained that he had run away from his foster home because he felt unwanted. Rusty climbed onto the couch beside him, resting his head on Ethan's lap. The next morning, Sarah called Child Services. She explained Ethan's situation and asked about the process to become his guardian. It wouldn't be easy, but Sarah was determined. Over the next few months, Sarah navigated the challenges of the adoption process. Each step brought her closer to making Ethan a permanent part of their family. Rusty seemed to sense the change, becoming even more protective of Ethan. Finally, the day came when Sarah, Ethan, and Rusty walked out of the courthouse as a family. Ethan held Rusty's leash, grinning from ear to ear. That evening, Ethan showed Sarah a drawing he had made. It was of the three of them beneath a bright sun, with the words, "My Forever Family," written above. Life settled into a joyful routine. Sarah, Ethan, and Rusty spent their days playing in the park, sharing meals and creating new memories. One night, as Ethan fell asleep, he whispered, "Thank you for finding me." Sarah kissed his forehead, tears in her eyes. Rusty curled up at the foot of the bed, standing watch over his family. As they sat in the park one sunny afternoon, Sarah watched Ethan and Rusty chase each other through the grass. For the first time in years, her heart felt whole.
If you enjoyed this story and want to hear more fun and meaningful tales, don't forget to like this video, share it with your friends, and subscribe to Wonder Tales. Hit the bell icon so you never miss a new story.